Welcome to TT's Corner. I just want to talk to you guys quick and fast. In October, we had Hurricane Melissa. The government was collecting money, to help to take care of the situation and the people in the western part of the island. All right. Then the opposition have done what no other opposition or no opposition in the world, period, went against the government and set up their own portal to collect money. And they did it so boldly and show the world and tried to let the government seems low and tried to let it seem like the government is stealing from the people. And they set up their own portal. And today is the April 1st. And up until this moment, they haven't declared how much they collected, or maybe they're still collecting. And we have never seen or heard them saying they help the people that was affected. So we all need to stand up and raise our voices and be heard to find out where is the money. What did they do with the money? Okay? Because something is just not right. And Mark Gordon needs to be, and the PNP needs to be accountable. The same way they go after the government is the same way the people need to stand up and push back and ask about the money. Also, I heard Mark Gordon spoke a couple months ago that there was no, he's going to wait. There's no evidence pertaining to the JACDEN. He's going to wait until everything, the discovery and all these things. No! Everything has been laid out. And there is silence from him. No. About what took place with the University Hospital and JACDEN. Come on, Mark Gordon, you swear that you're for honesty and transparency and all these things. No. Dennis Gordon, you should be accepting his letter of resignation, or you should be the one standing there letting us know that Dennis Gordon is no longer a part of your ministry. He's no longer a minister under PNP. Okay? I have noticed that whenever there is things that goes on with members of your side, you are silent. And no disciplinary action is taken. Even in Westmoreland, we heard about what happened to Councillor Chang. We heard about the man that was beat, the JLP man that was beaten, okay, in Westmoreland. And you guys were silent. You, Mark Gordon, silent. Enough is enough. People, let's stand up. Because they say you have to stand for something or you fall for anything. And it's time for us to push back and let Mark Gordon and the PNP knows that we want transparency about the money. And we want to know what he's going to be doing to Dennis Gordon. Okay? So, time come for the truth to be on the table.